Hello,
Hello, sir. Hello.
hello Aishwarya, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm good. Next time be on time.
But there was network issue.
Okay,
I changed
okay.
my
So we'll quick start JavaScript. We'll go through by your quick introduction. Please go for it.
okay. Sir, first of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya Kulkarni. I have completed my graduation in civil engineering from Swami Ramanand Marathwada University, Latur, with final CGPA of 9.27. Talking about my technical skills, I have skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Um, I'm self-motivated person. I think person. Uh, I believe in self-learning and learn from my past mistakes.
Where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
So I want to join reputed company like yourself, and I want to achieve a good position in that company for 5 years.
So can you tell me just about your previous projects?
Previously, I worked on Angular project. I have 2 years of experience in Infosys and 5 years experience in Harvest Design company in Bootstrap in Angular.
Do you know Angular?
Um, JavaScript.
Okay. So tell me what is JavaScript?
JavaScript is dynamic programming language. We can use JavaScript for our creating our web pages. Dynamic. Um,
Your voice is not clear. Can you repeat it again?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Please repeat what you said about JavaScript.
Yes, sir. JavaScript is dynamic programming language by using which we can create our web pages and we can apply functionalities. We can even change CSS and HTML also using JavaScript. Okay.
What are the data types in JavaScript?
Can you please repeat, sir?
What are the data types in JavaScript?
There are mainly two types of data types are there, primitive and non-primitive. In primitive, there are string, number, boolean, undefined, null, and in uh, non-primitive data types, array, objects, and functions are non-primitive.
Can you differ between null and undefined?
Yes, sir. If we declared any variable and we have not given any value to that variable, then it will be undefined if we console that, and if and another is null, no, sir.
Yes, null.
Yeah. If we have given value null to that declaration, then is null it is a data type, sir.
Okay. So, what is an array?
Array is a primitive data type where we can store values on the basis of its index number with comma separated value in the form of comma separated values. We can store strings as well as number, anything we can store in arrays, objects also we can store.
What is scope and types of scope?
Uh, can you please repeat, sir?
What is scope and types of scope?
Scope.
Don't you know scope?
Yes, sir. Your voice is very low, sir.
Yes.
Your voice is very low, sir. Can you please repeat? Background noise is there.
So, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell me what is scope?
Scope is availability and accessibility of any variable or any data type, any declaration.
And what are the types of scope?
Scopes, scopes types, sir.
Type of scopes.
I know, sir, but
Don't you know global scope, block scope?
yes, sir. Global scope, block scope, functional scope, and local scope, sir.
What is a
Where
function?
can create block scope
What is a
function
function?
where we can yes, sir. A function means the relationship between input and output.
What is traditional function? Sorry, arrow function.
Arrow function is the latest way of writing function. It is the shortest way to write a function. Um, Here there is a name given in arrow function. So, function.
What are the features of ES6?
What are the features?
ES6.
So yes, yes, it's given us promises. Then string literal. We can store any declaration in the form of string literal. If I want to store any declaration and string in that declaration.
What are web
Promises.
storages?
Yes, sir. Web storages. There are two types of web storages. There is local storage and session storage. HTML file has given us a web storages feature, and using web storages, we can store cookie. We can store token in local storage or session storage.
What are the methods in web storages that you have used? Methods of web storages that you have used in your projects or somewhere else.
Methods to store local in local storage. No?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We can store set item. We can store any value in local storage by using set item, get items. We can get that value by using get item method. We can even remove from anything from local storage. We can use clear for clearing our local storage.
What is constructor function and factory function?
Constructor function and
Factory function.
constructor function. We create constructor function using new keyword. And so I don't know about factory function. I don't know
That's all. Okay, tell me what is promise.
promise is a we can promise gives us some value in future. We can We can use promise to handle async operations. There are four stages in promises. The first is the pending, second, settled, fulfill, and reject. By using promise, we can. Uh, there are some uses of promise. By using promise, we can do asynchronous operations.
Why we use promise over callbacks?
Uh, over callbacks.
Yes.
It is a easy way to write a code, and by using promise, we can easily create asynchronous operations we can do. And if there is any, if a promise is settled, we can um, try and catch block is there in promise. If it is successfully created promise, then it will go to try block, and if there is any error, then it will go in catch block.
Okay, as you told synchronous operations, tell me one thing, what is JavaScript? It is a synchronous or asynchronous?
JavaScript is synchronous, one by one operations.
One by one operations.
Yes, yes, synchronous. And to give asynchronous,
Tell me, it's blocking or non-blocking?
blocking, sir. JavaScript is blocking.
Okay. I have sent something for you in chat section. Please copy that. Yes. Just do one thing. Replace the second Java to JavaScript. Okay, perfect. I have sent something. Please copy this. Remove the duplicates. Using without using predefined methods. Hello,
Yes, sir.
have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Show the code. Okay, perfect. Please copy this. Do one thing. What we want here, the array of three numbers, three maximum numbers. Let's say in that first array, we have 85 as the largest number. 85, comma 889, comma 9987. Did you get this?
Yes, sir. Means array contain one
Uh,
element from this maximum
ah, yes, yes.
from this one maximum.
Hello. Okay, let it be. You can try it afterwards. I'll go through it after the interview. Uh, do one thing. Copy this array. Find out the duration of each company. Now do one thing. Just add these numbers in a single digit. Did you get
These
it?
numbers, these numbers,
Yes, yes. Make the sum of these all numbers.
some.
Okay. Do you know what is closure?
Yes.
What is closure?
Closure is used for lexical scope we can access. Inner function can access outer variables of declarations. It is known as closure.
Can you show me an example?
Yes.
Go for it.
So here inner function can access value of A and B, which are in lexical support, in lexical scope.
Show me where it is accessible.
So here innermost function is
Show the
accessible.
console.
Console. So,
Control. Hello.
hello.
Show the code. It's not the example of closure. When you should call the inner function, the outer function should be accessed, the variables of the outer function. Okay, go through it afterwards. Uh, can you show me an API call by using promise?
Yes, sir.
I said by using promise, not by fetch.
So I know this concept of tracking.
Okay, okay, no problem. Go through it afterwards.
Yes, sir.
I have sent something for you in chat. So copy that. Can you just tell me what will be the sequence of this? Just write down the number. Give the number which one will execute first and which one will execute last.
So on the first time last name.
No, no, all the consoles, wherever you see. At line number 118, 121, 110. Just tell me the sequence, which one execute
So
step by step.
first console dot log.
Okay. Write down there.
And
Give the number.
yes, sir, I think.
Okay, let it be. Go through it afterwards. Check the console.
Sure about this. Did I comment it, sir?
Check the console once. Go to the browser. Check it thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is event delegation?
Delegation.
Yes.
Event proposed. Yes, sir.
Memoization. What is memoization?
Event.
Memoization.
Yes, sir, I don't know.
Can you tell me what is called bind and apply?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
What is called bind and apply?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the different ways to create an object in JavaScript?
Sir, if there is one function, there are two objects, and there is one function which is common in that two objects. Then we can use call method to use that function, common function.
No, no.
Can I show you?
I asked what are the different ways to create an object? How do you create an
Using
object in
constructor function,
uh,
using constructor function, or using key and variables.
That's it. Okay. Can you tell me what is temporal dead zone?
Sir, I'm not. I know this concept, but right now I'm not able to.
Okay. What is strict mode in JavaScript?
So strict mode, if we enable this, then it will work as we work in TypeScript. It will show errors. Some,
What is rest operator?
rest operator and this rest operator is used for doing shallow copy of object, for spreading, yes, sir, for combining any values we can use rest operator.
As you told, shallow copy.
Sorry, sir, for shallow copy we use spread.
So tell me what is shallow copy and deep copy?
Yes, sir. If we copy one object to another object, then its reference is getting copied. And if we change anything in a second object, then that change will reflect in original object also. That's why we do shallow copy. By using spread operator, we do shallow copy. Um, it will if we do any changes in second object, then it will not reflect in original object. But there are limitations in shallow copy. It will copy to the first level only.
What about deep
So
copy?
in deep copy, we can copy object by using deep copy, and it will copy the whole object, including its child objects, single objects.
What is
But
oops?
oops, hello.
Yes, oops. Don't you know oops?
Yes, sir. OOPS is object-oriented programming language. Inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and these are four pillars of OOPS.
What is abstraction?
Abstraction means showing that hiding details and showing only the necessary part, essential part.
And what is inheritance?
Inheritance means a parent child. Child elements can access properties of a parent element. This is example of inheritance.
What is prototype member and instance member?
Instance member and
Prototype member.
primary.
What is JSON?
Um, JSON. We use JSON for storing data in local storage in key and value pairs.
What are the methods we use in JSON?
For storing data.
Yes, for transferring data.
Yes, sir. Set item for setting data in declaration in value we can store
Are you
using
sure?
set item. Local storage dot set item.
I'm asking about JSON, not web storage.
Yes, sir.
Haven't you used stringify, parse?
Yes, sir. I have used.
What is its purpose?
JavaScript can't understand JSON. That's why we convert it first in JavaScript object using parse method. And if we want to send some array to JSON, we use JSON.stringify as JSON can't understand JavaScript.
I have sent something. Copy that. In the console.
As
Okay, perfect. Do you know what is currying function?
yes, sir. Can I take that example, sir?
Sure.
So we can write in short form. We can call inner functions. This is what I say. If I want to call that function, then I can call by add in bracket a next in bracket b next c.
Okay. You should go through it once.
Yes, sir.
Uh, I'll send something, copy that. Write the output. In the console. Now copy this. Now write the output.
Zero, sir.
What?
Zero.
What zero?
Um, 4 times 0.
Have you seen the browser?
Yes, sir.
Is this zero or four?
4, sir.
You can stop your screen. Can you just explain me what is server side rendering and client side rendering?
Server side. So server side rendering means from server we are getting data, and client side rendering means from UI front end.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir, I'm not sure.
Okay. Do you know what is stack memory, heap memory?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
When we declare any variable and we assign, and then in heap memory its space is reserved. Uh, Sir, I will go through it. I know this,
Okay, okay.
but
Can you differentiate between sum and every?
yes, sir. Um, some both are higher order functions. In some, if all the array elements does not uh, satisfy the condition, uh, then also it will return true value. It returns boolean values, sum and every. And in case of every, if all the array elements satisfy that condition, that particular condition, that it will, then only it will return true. Otherwise, no.
Suppose we have an array and I want to add extra element at the starting of that array. Which method should I use?
So unshift method we can use.
Okay. Uh, can you tell me why we are using async await over promises?
Yes, sir. Async await is syntactical sugarcoating of a promise. When we write async await code, then it will look like a JavaScript synchronous code, and which is very easy to understand.
How we can handle errors in JavaScript?
And async await,
Yes.
yes, by using try and catch block, we make that function in which we are doing API call. That function will be async, and promise we will consume using await keyword.
Do you
And
know what is a pivot function?
yes, sir, I don't know.
First class
I will
function.
go through it. Sorry?
Don't you know first class function?
No, sir, I don't know.
Do you know function expression, function declaration?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me.
If if we declared any function, uh, for example, function, and we have not stored that function into any variable, then it is a function declaration. And if we have stored that the function in a declaration, then it is a function expression. Function expression cannot be hosted, and a function declaration can be hosted. Yes,
What is object method and object property?
method and property.
Object method and object property.
Yes, sir. If there is one object, and in that object some properties apart from property value apart from function, means it is a property, and it is a method. If keys value is a method, then it is keys value is function, then it is method.
Okay. Do you know callback help?
Yes, sir. When multiple asynchronous tasks are grouped together, then when these tasks are dependent on each other, each asynchronous task is dependent on each other, then there will be callback.
Do you know prototype chaining?
Prototype chain. Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall
Okay.
it.
Have you used getter setters methods?
Getters and setters.
Yes.
for getting data. Sorry. If there is one function and in that function some private properties are there, then we can change it using getters and setters. We can get it and then we can change
Where you have used this?
it. Yes.
You have used this in actual projects somewhere. Do you know, remember any scenario where you have used to get a sitter?
Yes, sir, I have used it. There is an object created outside in that class, and in that in that class there was some private properties, and to get to set its value, we can't do using object at that time. We can use.
Yeah, Shira, good to interact with you. I am done from my side. Do you have any questions for me?
Use.
Okay.